Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Next to me is an Audi RS5 and next to that is a Bmw M4. Fortunately it's not the competition, it's just the normal one today. I'm sorry about that BMW fanboys, but there we go. Anyway, let me tell you about this car. It's got a 2.9 litre twin turbo V6 with 510 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. It drives the rear wheels only for an 8-speed torque converter gearbox, so there's no launch control. It's kind of light for this kind of car. It's 1,520 kilos. Price wise, you're looking at £66,000. Now that BMW, it has a 3 litre straight 6 twin turbo with 431 horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque. It has a 6-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with a launch control mode, though you do have to have the stability control off to be able to do that, so it can get a bit leery. Oh well. Now that car weighs 1,650 kilos and starts from £62,000. To find out about the Audi, let's talk to its driver. It's Yianni from Yianni. Hello Yianni, tell me about your car, lad.
Hi Matt, how are you? I've got the worst hay fever, my eyes are so red raw. But anyway, I'm in a 2.9 twin turbo V6, 450 horsepower, 600 Newton meters, quattro 4-wheel drive.
Is it 8-speed auto?
It is an 8-speed auto. Can you remember how much it weighs?
Yeah, because I just looked down, it said 1,700 kilos.
And how much does it cost?
About 65 grand.
Your notes serve you well.
So do you know how to launch your car, Yianni?
Yes.
Good. Keeping it simple. Do you just want to get on with the race?
Some of us have homes to go to, and I'm some of us.
Now before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And that way, you won't miss a single video. God, it's like I've said it a million times, isn't it? Also, why not follow me on Instagram at @MattWatsonCars, and if you want to follow Yianni, it's over at Yianni. In fact, if you click on the pop-out banner up there, you can go straight to his channel and see all the stuff that he does there, wrapping cars, being a geezer, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, there's one last thing for me to tell you, and that is to check out our merch in the carousel below. Go on, go buy some stuff. Let's go on with the race. Yianni wants to go home, doesn't he?
Buying a new car? Head to Carwow to get offers from the UK's top dealers. carwow.co.uk, the car buying comparison site.
Now before we race, it is customary to do a sound test. I'm going to go with the Alfa first. Oh yeah, Italian V6. And now we're going to have a twin engine playing. Let's see what that sounds like. Now let's have a listen to the Audi. Classic Audi, soft limiter. Yeah, stop it Yianni, there's no point. Now let's have a listen to the BMW. That sounds pretty fruity. Right, which one sounded the best? Let me know in the comments below. The Alfa, the Audi, or the BMW, or the twin engine prop playing. Anyway, on with the race. Rubbish, I just went sideways.
I saw you missed it, mate, so I thought I'll come back.
Well, not just me, about the BMW, didn't even go off the line.
What BMW?
I think I'm going to go in dynamic mode with some stability on, otherwise I'll be screwed.
This thing moved about 6 feet and then went into neutral. Typical BMW launch control.
No chance. BMW's gone nowhere. Honestly, that BMW launch control just sucks balls. Right, I'm going to try something else. I'm going to go race again. Come on. I'm off now. Blimey.
Easy.
That was hard work getting off the line. That Audi, of course, did its quattro thing.
M4's nowhere. Alfa's nowhere. Easy win.
These things are hard to launch, but not as hard to launch as an M4.
I could probably do this in reverse.
Foregone conclusion. Quattro all-wheel drive, Yianni.
Mate, a bit disappointed. It's way too easy. I like some sort of challenge with you.
What, do you want to go in the BMW then?
Yeah, I think so.
So Yianni, do you think you can do a better job than the other driver in this BMW?
I think I've got launch control ready, and I know BMW fanboys go mad at you lot, so BMW fanboys, I've got you today.
You're going to use launch control?
Of course I'm going to use launch control.
It won't work.
I got this.
Do you even know how to engage launch control?
Traction control off. I'm just seeing everything's off. Off, off, off. Sport plus everywhere. Foot on the brake, accelerate. Bob's your uncle.
Yeah, good luck. He'll cock it up.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, God.
Come on!
Whoa, whoa!
Oh.
At least we're both equally crap.
Traction.
You nailed that launch control, Yianni. It was awesome.
Launch control worked. Each time someone does it, launch control don't work. It worked, just traction control was poor.
Let's take that traction thing out of the equation. I mean, Audi Quattro, it was just shot off. I mean, it's going to win the drag race, isn't it? Let's move on to the next challenge.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Audi did the standing quarter mile in 12.0 seconds. The Alfa took 12.4 seconds, and the BMW came last with 12.5 seconds.
Okay, now we're going for a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, cars in auto and comfort mode, or normal, or whatever it is, the least sporty setting anyway. Right, you guys all ready? I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, kick down. Oh, kick down the worst. The BMW was the best.
Killed them.
That DCT gearbox. I'm reeling him in now though, but he's going to back off because we're reaching the end of the runway. I ran out of nerves then. I was gaining on you, Yianni, but your car responded really quickly, didn't it?
Yeah, really, really quick. Once you hit the accelerator, it does pull.
And Audi, you took off okay, but came past you soon enough.
Yeah, it was all right, but it is what it is.
Now your four-wheel drive isn't an advantage because you've got drivetrain losses, haven't you?
Just weighing me down.
I read that line in Autocar magazine back in 1996. I think they still use it. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, cars in their sportiest setting, locked in third gear. Right, I'm going to count it in. You ready, Yianni? Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. A bit of lag. Oh no, we're going to have this one.
Oh, it's close, yes.
Oh, I hit the limiter, even though it says shift in big blooming letters. I want to do it again. Oh, I forgot to change up. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All good. Shift, I shifted right there.
Oh, it's got me, innit?
Oh, now I've got him.
Got me, that's why I wanted to do it again.
That's enough of that. We know what happened there. I actually managed to change up when it told me to.
I'll be honest, I'm really impressed with this. I actually didn't think they were that fast.
It's actually very, very fast and nice to drive.
The engine in that is actually pretty mental.
I think this has the nicest engine. The Audi's got a good engine as well. Let's do the brake test then. 70 miles an hour, full emergency stop when we hit the cone.
For the cone, Yianni. At the cone.
Cone's here. Bugger it.
Easy.
You win the brake test too many times. I'm
So suspicious. I'm going to do a montage.
of all the brake tests that you're involved in, and then
We're going to scrutinise them to see.
if you're cheating.
I'm not going to say.
I get it right every time, but my reaction time is on point the majority of the time.
And you're old, so it's a little bit slow. I probably need to brake 10 metres before I think I need to brake.
To make up for that. But then you do have more momentum, obviously, especially after lockdown with all the snacks you've been...
Scoffing.
Fat shamers, come at me.
Anyway, that's one win for the Audi drag race, and it's one win for this in the rolling race. That won another rolling race, and then it won the brake test. So overall, when you tally it up, the BMW did win. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Check us out on Instagram at carwow, and for our merch, it's in the carousel below the video. Thanks for watching.